is a 7.5 inch Adams Arms pistol. With a loft folder and a SIG brace on it. And so what's cool about this is with the loft folder, it allows the stock to be folded. And so for storage and everything, you can do that. And then it's just got a little plunger that fits into your bolt carrier group. And that's what holds it in place when it's closed. And so it's a receiver extension that goes here and here with a hinge on it. And so that allows it to be a much more compact setup.
So by law, this is a pistol.
A pistol. Correct.
Okay. How long is the barrel?
This is a 7.5 inch barrel, and then it's got a Diablo brake line. So with the barrel this short, there's not enough room for the gas to really fully disperse, and so you end up getting a really big muzzle flash. So this directs the muzzle flash forward versus out. So it just makes it a little bit more easy to shoot.
With the brace fold, you can put it in the Vertx bag.
Absolutely. So with this, it'll go great in any one of our backpacks and several of our other bags. So
Fun toy.
very fun. You can do it